you guys showed up like in the worst day here, which is like Tuesday and Thursday, my worst day. It's gonna do conditioning and I do sparring, and usually I feel like a jellyfish like in sparring, because like, you know, my arms are tired, my legs are tired, so you know, it's not the best day. Like I don't look the best these days.
Even on those days, you're still flying triangling people here at Extreme Couture.
You know, I try, man. Like that's a move that, you know, I think it's in the blood. I try sometimes. Here's the thing, like I'm a competitor. I'm not. A lot of guys are in the UFC because they want to be called the UFC fighters. A lot of guys are there just to make a check, you know, to like get a pay. I'm a competitor. Like I'm never like in anything. Like if I'm doing jiu-jitsu, if I'm playing poker, if I'm playing like bowling, I want to be like one of the best guys, if not the best guy. So it's no different with fighting, you know. Like I know that the first time that I was in the UFC, I did like a shitty job, but you know, this time I feel like I'm prepared. So like it's not like I'm looking past Igor, but I'm looking to like Igor as one of the fights that I need to be like what I want to be, which is like you know, title contention. So you know, the division is really strong. Like I would say that like, you know, all the top 10, 15 guys could be fine for the title. Like and at least like 7 or 8 of those guys could be like a champion, like in my opinion. Even though like a lot of people say that Jon Jones never gonna lose his title, I could name like at least a few guys that could beat him. So I think Glover Teixeira could beat him. Alexander Gustafsson could have beat him. Shogun, like, you know, if he gets his quarter, like, you know, at a good point, he can beat him. Machida, I think, is my favorite to beat him. I would include myself, like, you know, like 3 or 4 fights, 1 year or 2 years. I include myself on that list too. So there's like so many other guys, you know, like nobody's unbeatable in this sport, you know. The only guy that at this point I feel like is not gonna get beat is Anderson Silva, just because like the guy's already like 38. He might have like another year competing, and I don't think anybody gonna beat him because they don't have the time. But I think Jon Jones is young, is really young, so he's gonna be like in the sport for at least like another like 10 years, and there's no way that he's gonna be like unbeatable in 10 years. There's no way.